अगर मेरे बर्थडे पर मेरी नज़र इस आउटफिट पे गई हुई थी तो दिस वुड डेफिनेटली बी माई बर्थडे आउटफिट। भाई कितना बोलना पड़ता है यार। Hello cuties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So as promised in my previous kurta haul video that the next video is going to be Savannah haul video, that too of some pretty and modest birthday outfits. So chalo, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So first up we have is this brown tube dress. This is a bodycon dress. So if you are a person who is a little bit on the skinnier end, this dress will look flattering on your body type because this one elevates our curves like, oh my god. Also, the brown color is a perfect add-on because it suits most of our Indian skin tones. Now, when we talk about the fabric, like most of the bodycon dresses stick to our skin and make us feel super hot in the summer heat, but this one does not stick to our skin, so it's super breathable. Also, if you are a person who want an outfit which is not all over and not under, this is the safest fit for you. You can also wear it on later on occasions, so it's a very versatile piece in your wardrobe. I got this one for just rupees 900, so the pricing is also perfect. I would overall rate this dress a solid 9 on 10. Now we have is this black dress. I mean, look at this dress. Now I know a lot of the people who are obsessed with the color black because they think it's the classiest color, and I agree with you. So if you are that person, this one will be the it dress for you. The added and the best thing about this dress is the flower detailing and the off shoulder movement going around here. Like it makes you look like a Barbie or a Cinderella. So if you are a person who wants a dress which makes you look like a Barbie or a Cinderella, but in a modern way, then this dress will be perfect for you. Also, the color, the black color is a shinier color, so you can make it work on further special occasions also. You can also look at the length of this dress. The length is simply perfect, so it gives an add-on comfort to you. I got this one for rupees 1300, which is a bang on pricing. So overall, I would rate this dress a solid 9.5 on 10. So now we have my birthday outfit dress, this butter yellow cord set dress. So as you can see, this outfit comes with a skirt and a top separately. You can pair them up to make it look like a dress. The top is a sheer top. If you can see, it's a bit transparent here and has a lining going on here. So, you might have seen a lot of the people wearing butter yellow color. It is because butter yellow is the color of this summer season, and I chose this outfit to be my birthday outfit just because of the color. So now you know what is the hype about. Also, I stacked this dress with some golden earrings, a handbag, and Cinderella heels, and the outfit looked beyond my imagination. Like it gave me that birthday girl outfit vibe which I wanted on my birthday. The dress looked simply perfect, and the best thing about that, it was comfortable, it was not revealing, yet it was giving. So if you want an outfit like this, you can definitely go for this dress. Also, I think that it is a versatile piece of clothing because you can style this top with the jeans, and you can also style this skirt with the top, be it a black top or a white top. तो काफ़ी काम आता है ये. So if you want a versatile piece of clothing in your wardrobe, this will be the perfect one for you. I got this one for rupees 1300, which is again a very affordable price. So I would automatically rate this one a 10 on 10. Now, moving on to the next birthday outfit, we have this blue A-line darted dress. I mean, look at this dress. This dress is so chic and so classy. Plus, the light blue color is the summer color, which is a perfect add-on. Now, if you also look at the flare of this one gives that cute girl next door vibe. And also, there is a little bit drama also created here. You can see it's backless. So, if you are a person who likes a dress which gives that cute girl vibe, yet also has some drama going on, this will be the dress for you. The length of the dress is also perfect, so you can wear it with your family or your friends, and it will look just amazing. I got this one for rupees 1155, which is again a super affordable price. So I would rate this overall a solid 9 on 10. Now we have the showstopper dress, this sheer fishtail dress. I mean, take a moment for this dress. Look at the fishtail moment created. This fishtail moment gives so much diva and the main character energy. मतलब अपने बर्थडे वाले दिन हर लड़की diva की तरह लगना चाहती है, तो that problem is totally solved. Also, when I was ordering this dress, I was a bit skeptical about the transparency of this dress, but to my surprise, it is not at all transparent. Like the cream lining inside is super thick, so transparency is quite out of the window. Also, I am a person who is a bit bored with the color black. मतलब बहुत पहन लिया है. So I feel the white in this brings so much freshness. It basically makes you look like a mermaid. So I got this one for rupees 1522, which is quite a bang on pricing for this dress. So I would overall rate this a 20 on 10 because I love this. मतलब अगर मेरे बर्थडे पर मेरी नज़र इस आउटफिट पे गई हुई थी तो दिस वुड डेफिनेटली बी माई बर्थडे आउटफिट. So that was all for today's haul video. I hope you liked the video. You can find the links of all the dresses in the description below. Also, don't forget to comment which dress was your personal favorite, and I will see you with another haul video super soon. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.